Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix problem when you get internet connection but cannot browse Google Chrome or use your Google Play Store. So as you can see, Google Play Store opens, but if I press on the install, it won't download. And the same as with our Google Chrome, if we open any website it doesn't load. So now to fix that we'll need to go to our settings, scroll down, find additional settings, date and time, and enable use network provided time. So now if we go back to our Google Chrome and reload the page, it should reload properly. And the same will be with our Google Play Store. We open it, for sure just reload the page and install the WhatsApp again. As you can see, it's installing properly and we can open the app. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.